Hello, December 2023, and welcome to my very occasional video update of my restoration of Seaplane Tender 437. Today's video is very much a tale of two halves. The starboard side of the hull is the top sides are faired and the undersides are faired to an extent. The port side, not so much. Still bare boards, bare timber. Just finished the refixing the undersides, which you will see in the video. On board we have the engine bearers and floor supports all fitted for the cockpit, fitted, painted, looking lovely. And I've just started now doing the sanding and painting in the forward sections. I have fitted a transom, or at least I fitted most of a transom. I ran out of 10mm timber just before finishing the bottom layer of diagonal, so I've had to wait until a new timber order arrives. But have a look at the video, and I hope you enjoy it.